Hi guys, I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy and taking care of yourselves. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about part 2 of the Sweet Sweat collection. And in this video, like I said, what I was going to do is this time around, I'm going to use the enhancer. So I'm going to grab it, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to go do my workout and we're going to get into it. So sorry I'm bending down. This is the best way I can prop you guys in my room because I'm doing some switcheroo and things like that. So I hope that you guys can still see me and hear me properly. So typically I keep my enhancer inside this little sleeve here. This is what came when I bought, I want to say when I bought a new enhancer. So this is what it comes in. This is the tube that the enhancer comes in. A nice sleek black and yellow packaging. I'll pop it open to show you guys what it looks like. So you twist it off. It's the twist off cap. And because I've used it, this is what it looks like. But this is what it looks like. And you twist on the bottom so more can come out. So I'll twist it for you guys. And again, I've been using this like crazy. So this is how much I have left. And good thing for me, I got some more. So this is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub this on my waist area. And I'm not going to rub it in. I'm just going to literally take the stick, rub it on my body, and leave it as is. It tells you not to rub this stuff in. And that's what I do. I try to follow directions as best as I can. And leave it as that. So on the back, it does say directions. Before exercise, apply an ample amount of Sweet Sweat. So all the directions and the use of using this is all on the back of the stick. So if you want to give this video a pause and read that, you can. And it's also on their website. So what I'm going to do now is, again, I'm going to take this, I'm going to rub it on my waist area. I'm going to put the Sweet Sweat waist trimmer on, and then I'm going to go ahead to my workout, and I'm going to show you guys how much sweat I actually lose using this and the trimmer combined. Okay, y'all, so I got the trimmer on right now, and I'm going to go and do my workout. And when I get back into my home, I will show you guys how much sweat I produced with this thing on. So if you guys would like to see how it works for me, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I was gonna work out outside to show y'all how much sweat I can get out of doing my HIIT workout, because today is Saturday, which makes Saturday a HIIT workout day. And usually with my HIIT workouts, it includes jump roping. But because the rain said, I'm going to interrupt your workout and you're not going to get it done out here today, I'm going to switch it up for you guys. And I'm going to do a very, very basic workout. And I feel like that'll give this a fair chance to actually show you guys how much sweat with the enhancer I can get out of doing just the minimal of my workout. So, I mean, I already got the pre-workout in me, and I can't save my workout for another day. I already started recording, so I might as well finish it up. You know what I mean? So, let me get stuff set up and rearrange, and we're going to get into the workout. And then I will come back and show you guys how much sweat I produce with the basic, the minimal amount of working out, the minimal amount of exercise I can do. And I will show you guys what's going on. So this HIIT workout, see, I'm already sweating. It's crazy. This HIIT workout is going to be a 10-minute HIIT workout where I'm going to run in place, do jumping jacks, do high knees, and jump in place. So when I do my HIIT workouts, I know it's supposed to be like a time HIIT workout, but I don't like my workouts being timed. I feel like if I do it timed, I'm not going to get the best of my workout because I'm going to be too focused on just getting too many done at one time instead of focusing on my form. So I like to do sets and reps. So what I'm gonna do is do 3 sets, 15 reps of each workout, and then when I'm done, I will consider that for my HIIT workout. I'm only gonna take a 30-second rest between each workout, and that will complete my HIIT workout for the day. I'll do 1 round on camera, and then I'll do the other 2 off camera just to save battery time and space and all that. So now I'm gonna take a 30-second rest break, and then I'm gonna do it for 2 more rounds. Hi guys, so I just finished my workout, if you can tell by the way that I'm breathing. So before we get into anything, I'm gonna take this trimmer off just to show you guys how much sweat I got using the enhancer and wearing the trimmer.
So close your eyes.
So if y'all can see that, this is how much sweat, once again, that came off of me from the trimmer. And I hope that the camera is really picking everything up. And I still got some on my belly, like again, but this one, it filled just about like all of it. Let's see if I can get this to focus. So see on the sides there, all that sweat. And I know that I didn't mention before, I'm not one to sweat on my stomach. I really needed some type of help to help me sweat on my stomach. I will sweat everywhere except for on my stomach. But when I started using the waist trimmer, that really helped me sweat in my waist area. See all that sweat from just what the belt, like what leaked from under the belt. All that sweat. And I'm sweating on my forehead, even though we're not talking about the rest of my sweat, we're just talking about in this area. So yeah, this thing, I love Sweet Sweat waist trimmers. I really do. I'm gonna insert a thumbnail on the abdominal and midsection workout that I like to do to help trim out my waist and burn out the fat in there. You'll definitely see the difference between when I was starting my weight loss journey compared to when you know, I started to see the results after doing the workouts that I do to help me you know, get that little shape that I want. Again, I know I mentioned in another video that I gained weight because I've been acting up, and it was definitely on purpose. So once I get back into the routine of using my waist trimmer, working out in the and continue to working out and eating right, because to get your stomach and your abdominal area to shrink in, you definitely need to be eating right, because you can't fat focus, you can't target the abdominal muscle. You know, when you start losing your weight is going to come off how it wants to, and the first place you gain weight is more than likely going to be the last place you gain weight. And for most females, I know that the last place we're going to lose weight in is in the waist area. So with all that being said, let me show y'all again how much sweat is on this thing. I mean, and here is a dry part of the trimmer. So dry and wet. I really hope the camera picked up everything I wanted it to pick up on about this. But yes, Sports Research, y'all did y'all thing when y'all made this, and I am so happy that I was able to find your company and rock with y'all for the many years that I have been, and I just really like y'all product. Anyway, this video was not sponsored in any way, and I hope it was helpful to you who is watching this. And if you have any questions, if you want to let me know anything, if you have any concerns, or just whatever, you want to have a conversation just about, you know, the trimmer itself, and just have a conversation. That's sweat in my eye. Just have a conversation. Hit me up on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, or send me an email, and I'll be happy and willing to talk to you. Hi y'all, so I completely forgot to tell you guys like how I calculate in my head the workout. So when I run in place, I literally count in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I do the jumping jacks, I do 15 jumping jacks. When I do high knees, I do 15 on each side. So I literally count 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 up until I hit 15 hits on each side. And then when I jump in place, I twist my hips and I do the same thing. I do like from side to side, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And that's how I do my HIIT workout. And in between those workouts, I rest for 30 seconds. And that completes my HIIT workout, and I get a really good exercise. And if you can still see, I'm still like pouring, well, can't really see, but on my shirt, you can see I'm still sweating. I still have on the waist trimmer, and yeah. So, and all the sweat that's like on my pants, actually I can show you guys. That's just the front of me. I have no idea what the back of me looks like, but this is all like that's dripped down from the sweet sweat. And yeah, I just really get a good, so yeah, I just get a really good sweat when I use this. I get a good sweat all around. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you have any questions or you just want to talk, hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, or in my email, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Take care.